again, my fellow West Coast swing dancers, again, it's Miss Stephanie and I again. You know where we are, we're at Nick's Nightclub, where we are every Thursday. I'm going to share with you something we taught our West Coast swing class every week here at Nick's. Thank you if you came. Remember to click subscribe to get a free video every week. If you can't take the class, then at least you have the video to try wherever you are. Thank you. This is a whip, a little twisted, basically because it's a twisted whip. Taught it before, first time in 2019 that I'll be sharing with you guys. 1, 2, 3, and 4. For the ladies, it's the same whip count. 1, beginning to turn on 2. 1, 2, she does her coaster. 3 and 4. Just basic, okay? By 2 guys, you're going to switch hands. You're going to take her right hand, put it into your right. 1, 2, okay? Then from there, you're going to pick up her left with your left. So you're going to turn, you're going to back up on the track. So going forward, front to back, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pull her forward onto her right foot with your left hand by the 4th step. Just going this way, get off the track, pull it forward to 4. Okay? From there, this is when you begin to twist. So when you get to 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, my right hand and my left hand both play a role in this because I'm going to turn to my right and take a step. 5. And I pull her forward onto her left foot. If you don't pull her forward, she's going to basically almost stay within that little small space on the floor. Not going to make this work. So we're going to add 5, 6 to this. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. And what I did was after 5, I let go of her left hand, continue using her right, and pulling her through to a right turn. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. I know you couldn't see it from that direction. I'll go this way. Go this way. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. I pull, and then I begin to lift her right hand with mine. Because after that, you're just adding a triple step. So the whole way through, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you end up in a right to right. Let's go down this track. Here. So you're going to have to pull her through 3 and 4, 5, 6, and then if you don't pull her through, you might hit her in the head with your forearm / elbow. You don't want to do that. Trust me, you don't want to do it. So once from there, let's just go into it again from this direction. So 1, 2, 3, 4, pull and turn. So I'm taking a turn to my right, pulling forward on her left, and I take a step, and we come through. Quicker, just a little bit faster. So remember, pull her through on 5, 6. One working the other way. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Twist and turn, triple step. You're in a position to do it again, because you're already in a right to right. If you don't want to do that, we're just going to do one of the things we always do. So we'll just have a shoulder push here, and we're going to have a walk, switch hands, press it through, triple. Or whatever you want to do. It's really your call. We didn't want to add anything more to that because of the complexity of the twisted whip. So the whole thing. Give you a little more direction on that ending here after the play here. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 on 1. Pull her in. Second step, take your left, put it in her as a prep. 2, send her through, triple, off the track. Okay, front to back. Adding that part, sugar push here. 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I get off the track, send her through. It's twisted, it's fun, I think it's cool, hope she likes it, and we're in good shape. Thank you guys, thank you Miss Stephanie. As always, your support means the world to me and myself and Miss Stephanie. We will see you next time. Until then, have a great week. As always, keep dancing.